Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to Everyday Technology, and today I'm actually going to be upgrading my entertainment area in my bedroom. So this is what the little bookcase used to look like that I had in my bedroom that held a lot of my camera equipment and my Xbox. As you can see, it's definitely not the most appealing, especially with those cables running down from my extremely old TV, which I will be updating, don't you worry, very soon. So before I can do anything, I have to take all of the stuff off of my bookshelf before I can remove the bookshelf and start building the new one. Now, there was a ton of stuff that was on my old bookshelf that I'm not going to be transferring over to my new bookshelf because one, most of it is garbage that I just forgot to throw away, and second, I really don't want to clutter my new bookshelf as badly as I did my last one, so I'm going to try to keep it as minimal as possible. So now that I've taken all of the stuff off of my old bookshelf, it's time to remove the bookshelf itself. You probably noticed when I just removed the bookshelf that there are two really annoying cables hanging down from my TV, and we're gonna take care of those right now. This is the simple cord cable concealer that I bought off of Amazon for $24, and it can hide up to 3 regular size cables. It's extremely simple to set up. All you have to do is place some adhesive on the back of each cable concealer, place it onto whatever surface you're going to be concealing the cable on. I'm doing it on my wall, and this product comes with around 10 of these raceways along with curved pieces, so for most projects it'll be plenty. As you can see, it looks a whole lot cleaner now, and it definitely beats staring at 2 cables running down your wall day in and day out. Okay, so now that we've taken care of all of the pesky cables, it's time to actually start building the bookshelf itself. This is the Household Essentials Ashwood 3-tier storage shelf, which I picked up on Amazon for only $80. It has a metal frame, and when it comes to storage shelves on Amazon, this is definitely one of the more budget options. But it doesn't compromise on build quality at all, and it still comes across as very robust. Putting it together was actually extremely easy. It came with an Allen wrench and all the screws needed, and essentially all you had to do was screw in each shelf into the frame, and you were ready to go. You didn't even have to drill the holes yourselves. They were already drilled in. The whole process took me around 10 minutes in total, which is really good for when it comes to putting together furniture. With it all set up, now it's time to bring back the main components that I had on my old bookshelf. Some key things that I decided to put on these shelves is my Xbox One. This is the original Xbox. I got it back in 2015, right around the time it came out, and it still works very good, and it allows me to play some games and just hang out when I need a break. Also on the shelves are the TV by Davoom. This is a pixel art speaker, and I absolutely love this thing. You can create custom pixel artwork and display it on the display. I also have all of my camera lenses, so I know exactly where they are. When I need to swap lenses, I can just look at my shelf and pick which one I want. I have one more thing to add to this entertainment setup to get some really nice ambient light. This is the Ikea Holmo 46-inch floor lamp, and it is very iconic for 2 reasons. Number one, it's just under $30 on Amazon, and it also looks incredible. This will add a nice glow to wherever you put it, and in my opinion, you really can't go wrong with this lamp. These are definitely some products I would consider to put together, and it'll create an incredible entertainment setup, all for only around $100. I, for one, really like how this turned out, and I think it adds a nice touch to my bedroom. If you'd like to pick up any of the products that I mentioned today in this video, I will have them linked below so you can check them out or buy them. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of me creating my new entertainment setup for my bedroom. If you liked it, please hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and also, if you have any feedback for me, please leave that in the comment section below. And as always, guys, I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.